Hey guys, Mrs. Kirkhoff here. I wanted to talk to you about your assignments for this week. So, the first thing you're going to do is complete this journey pear deck. You're going to be reading a short story and then answering questions in the pear deck format, which you should be familiar with by now at week 5. After you've done that, you are going to create a journey graph with events from your own life. So, if you open up the directions, essentially, you're going to use blank paper as well as art supplies. So these could be crayons, colored pencils, markers, paint, whatever you have on hand. And you're going to graph about your life so far. So you're going to include 10 events total, and you're going to essentially rank them in terms of high points and low points in your life. And you don't have to include anything that makes you uncomfortable. You're then going to take the graph that you've created this week, and next week you're going to be turning it into a map of your journey. But we'll get to that next week. So this is essentially a set of directions for you. I know it looks like a lot of text, but it goes into detail. This is a list of ideas to help you get started with brainstorming, um, ranking your graph events, and then assembling it and putting it together. So this is what I want to point out to you guys that's really important. Once you've created your graph, this is on blank paper. So in order for me to see it, you are going to take a picture of it. You can do that on your phone and email it to yourself and then save that image to your Google Drive, or you can take a picture of it on your Chromebook and then just automatically upload it into your Google Drive, whichever you prefer. Once you've done that, you are going to insert that image into a slideshow. So if you go back to Classroom here, you'll see Journey Graph with explanation. So you'll open that up, and it's real simple, guys, short and sweet. You're going to insert a picture of your journey graph here. So you'll go to Insert, you'll go to Image, and then you'll go to Drive, and you'll pull the image from your drive. You can size it. Please size it so it fits most of the slide. If you have any extra space left, you can add a background color, and you can get rid of my words here. And then on the next slide, you're just going to write your 2 to 3 sentence explanation. So explain your graph to me, and why does it appear the way that it does? I'm going to go back to the directions and point out to you that there is a rubric here. So the graph itself with the explanation is worth 20 points. So you should be brainstorming your list of events, graphing your highs and your lows, including an x-axis with years and a y-axis with ranking. So x is this way, y is this way. Attaching your picture to the slideshow. And then you'll need to have that line with your 10 highs and lows. So include dots and then connect the dots so I can see the ups and downs. Please give your graph a title and label each axis, and then include your explanation in the slideshow. So that's it for the journey graph. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me during office hours, or jump into our Zoom session this week. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Go Bears!